Welcome. If you're looking to change your gender on Roblox using the web version on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps after the new update, so you can update your profile quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred browser and head straight to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account before you begin. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of your screen for the gear icon. This is where you'll find all your account settings. Click on the gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage everything about your Roblox profile. Next, find the section labeled Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on it to expand more options. This is where Roblox keeps all the controls for your account's privacy and content preferences. It's a good idea to review these settings from time to time to make sure your account is secure and set up the way you want. After that, look for and click on Account Info. This section contains all your personal details, including your display name, birthday, and of course, your gender. Now, scroll down until you see the gender option. Here, you'll see your current gender selection. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose a new gender from the available options. Simply select the one that best fits you. Once you've made your choice, make sure to save your changes. That's it. Your Roblox profile is now updated with your new gender selection. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. See you next time.